Let us look at the construction of this isometric block. As we have here that draw the block in isometric projection as shown, is just for us to replicate it the way it is shown to us here. And we are making use of the dimensions given to us on the block. We have that length from here to here is 60 millimeters, and from here to here is 40 millimeters. Okay, then for the feature that we have here, so we have that distance from here to here is 15 millimeters, from here to here is 10 millimeters, from here to here is 15, and from here to here is 20. From here to here, that is the distance from here to here is also 20 millimeters. So we just have to replicate it the way it is shown to us here. So we'll be making use of the 30 as degrees square. As we have here, this is 30 by 60 degrees square. We are making use of the 30 degree side up here and also down here. We can turn. Okay, so you are going to see the way I'm going to do it here. So let's go and see how this can be done. So you can open your own and then be looking at it the way I'll be doing my own here. So let us look at it. So what we are to do first is to draw a short horizontal line. So here we have a short horizontal line here like this. Okay, so on this short horizontal line, I'm going to indicate the lowest point. So in case you are asked to indicate the lowest point, but in this case we are not asked to do so, but I usually show this on my drawing. So when it comes to construction of isometric object or block, okay, so now, so with 30 degrees square, this set on the T square and then bringing it to this point A here. So we draw a line in this direction and then we turn it this way. So we also draw a line in this direction. So we have this now. Okay, then we are going to turn it this way and draw a vertical line from this point A up. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so on these three lines, so we are going to be taking the measurement. First of all, make it an isometric block, complete block, then we bring out the feature as we proceed. So now, so let's take a measurement of 60 millimeters from this point A to this side. Take 60 millimeters from point A to this side. This is 60 millimeters here. And then on this vertical line, we take a measurement of 20 millimeters from this point A up. So this is 20 millimeters. Then on this side, we have the total distance, which is 45 millimeters, broken into three parts. So we are to take it right now. So let's take it. We have this to be 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters here. Then we have 10 millimeters next. Then we have what we have 15 millimeters next. This is okay, so we have 15, this is 15, then 10, then we have another 15 millimeters here. So this is okay, so we have 15, this is 10, then we have what we have another 15 millimeters. So that is 40. Okay, so that's 40 millimeters. So have this to be 40. All right, so next thing that I'm going to do here is that at this point, the last point here, I will draw a vertical line up like this. We have this vertical line, then I will come to this point also. So draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, then from this point where we have this 20 on this vertical line that we produce from what, from A. Okay, so we draw a line in this direction to touch this. Okay, then turn the set square this way. Also draw a line from this point to touch this vertical line. Then come up to this point here. Come up to this point here with the set square. So you draw a line in this direction. Okay, we have this then. So turn the set square this way, bringing it to this point here. Okay, then we draw a line from here to touch this. So already we have a complete block as we have here. So what we are to do now is to bring out that particular feature that we have. So let's see how that can be done. Let me show you the feature that I'm talking about. So this is the feature that I'm talking about, that we have to bring out this shape that we have here. Is like we are cutting this shape out of the whole block as we have here. So here we have that from here to here is 15, and that is 15 that we took from here to here. And then here we have from here to here to be 10, so that is 10 millimeters that we took from here to here. Then we also have that from here to here is 15, that is 15 millimeters that we have from here to here. Okay, then we also have that from here to here is 20 millimeters. We are here to take that measurement, so we take it. But first of all, so let us come to this point here where we have this 10. So draw a vertical line up from this point, take a vertical line up like this, okay? Then come to this point here, also take a vertical line up. So from this point to touch this line, okay? So then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we take the set square, setting it at this point here, okay? So where this line touches, so we draw a line in this direction, and then you come to this point, you also draw a line in this direction. Okay, so from this point here, we take a measurement of 20 millimeters to this side. So this is 20 millimeters here. So what you have to do, turn the set square this way, and then you draw this line in this direction. Okay, then you come to this point here. So where these two lines meet, come to this point. If you look at what we have there, we saw a vertical line, or we see a vertical line at that point. So draw this vertical line. Then you have to come here to this point here at this point, and then you draw a line inward like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have completed the object. What we have to do now is to bring out the feasible outlines and edges of this object. So let's do that by making these lines thick lines. So let's start with the vertical line. So we make this line a thick line from here to here, and then we come to this point. Also we have a vertical line here, so make this a thick line from here to here, and for this also make this a vertical line from here, so a thick line from here to here. So we also have a vertical line here, make this a thick line. At this point we have a vertical line, make this a thick line, and also at this point we have a vertical line. Okay, so let's go this way. So making this line from here to this point, make it a thick line from here to here, make this a thick line from here to here like this, and then come to this point, make this a thick line from here to here, this also a thick line from here to here, and then so at this point here, this short line, making it a thick line from here to here, and come to this end, so make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, then we come to this side here, so make this line a thick line from here. Okay, so make the thick line from here to this point, and then come up here, so make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, and then this line, make the thick line from here to here, and then this particular line that we have here, so make the thick line from here to here. So this line, making it a thick line from here to here, and then so this line we also make this a thick line from here to here. So looking at what we have here, we have completed the block as we see it in the diagram given to us, as simple as I've done it here. Let's meet on the next one. Thank you and God bless you.